popping? What's good? What's good, fam? How y'all doing? What's happening, man? Tap in, tap in. Right now, we about to look over the signal that I had sent to the signal chat. That was a couple hours ago. I sent this trade in the gym, bro. In the gym, literally. So this is a 61.8 retracement on a 1 hour fib. As you can see, point A to point B, 61.8. See nice levels of exhaustion at this retracement level. The market ended up pushing up, breaking some structure up in here, breaking resistance, breaking a lower high point. So we start to get a shift. So I missed all of this, bro. I missed all of this. To be honest with you, I was just sleeping on GJ. So throughout the day, I ended up coming back to this and I started marking it up, seeing the transition of everything that was going on. A bunch of retests that was happening up in here. It gave some nice entry opportunities. So this was ideally the first opportunity that we could have took as an entry in here. But the market ended up pushing up, making a new high. I looked at the market around this time. So all I do is just wait for some type of level of confluence to be retested or some type of support to be built. And that's what happened here. So boom, got in on a 30-minute time frame. And as you can see, we got a nice bullish variation and also a nice bullish engulfing that happened right up in here. So two back-to-back entry confirmations on a 30-minute time frame. Also on a 15-minute, if you want to go down further, you can see we also got some nice bullish variation, bullish engulfing. So very clean entry opportunities. The market is currently just pushing straight up into profit. And so far, we're looking at a reward of 84 pips for a risk of 42 pips. So literally a 1 to 2 risk reward opportunity. Very clean, very easy setup. I really wish I would have been peeping GJ, capitalize off of at least this right here. That would have been perfect. But it is what it is. I ain't tripping. No matter what, whenever I miss a setup, I always know how to attack the move moving forward, and that's just catching a continuation of a setup. So just having those tools in your toolbox is what's going to continue to help you to kind of avoid having FOMO and you know, just taking advantage of the market. Even though you miss your first opportunity, it's not a big deal. You don't panic. As long as you know how to actually attack the markets and catch continuations, bro, you're in good hands. So everyone in Confluence World should be hip to these type of movements and these type of situations when this does happen and be able to capitalize off of this easily. So just to show y'all, so right now I got a 3 lot on one of my accounts, as you can see on GJ. I hope it's focusing. I'm gonna hold it steady. All right, and let me show y'all. I also got an account build that I'm doing. I had forgot I had this account that I had put like 100, I think it was like 112 in my wallet, in my Bitcoin wallet on my broker. And I end up depositing it into an account, and I end up actually trading it. So I'm building it, and when I get it to $1,000, hopefully by the end of the year, I'm gonna surprise someone in my Discord community. So this one, currently we up like 50 pips in profit, so we'll probably hit like 110, 120 once it hit TP. But this account, I'm building this. As you can see, the balance is at 189. Building it up from 112, so trying to get it all the way to $1,000 by the end of the year. So we got time, enough time. I can do it. So that's pretty much where we at. Also, let me show y'all. We sent the signal just so y'all peep. I know people be weird about stuff like this. So as you can see, we got, what else yesterday? Update. Oh, I'm tripping. Today is 12 a.m. That's why I say yesterday. I'm googling. So here you go. As you can see, got a buy DJ signal. That was literally when I was in the gym. So I took that trade literally in the gym, but I had all this marked up throughout the evening. And so far right now, as you can see, we up in profit. Currently, with the TP 625, we up like 43 pips in profit right now. Right, so we got a little way to go. But hopefully we can hit TP, you know, going into the morning and secure a bag. Very clean opportunity though. Super nice. 625. I don't know why this thing was delaying like that. What's going on? Trading view. But yeah, that's where we at, man. So just wanted to show this breakdown, make a quick live breakdown. I wish I would have been able to catch this while I had took it, but as you see, I got the receipts here, of course, for you all. I was just trying to get on this as soon as possible so that way I can catch it before it actually hit TP. But other than that, man, I hope this was clear. It made sense. Very clean, easy setup. And that's pretty much it, man. That's what we do. So other than that, peace and love. I'm out of here, y'all.